Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your videos on TikTok. It is actually super simple. Just select the plus button and you are going to find the upload button, or you can select a video to enhance. I'm just going to again select this video and press next. Then you are just going to select this arrow pointing down and you're going to select enhance. And that's it. As you can see, it looks more enhanced than the first one that I selected. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!